Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. First, Regenxbio's RGX-121 for Hunter syndrome has been rejected by the FDA. The rejection was primarily due to concerns over the trial population definition, the use of a natural history control group, and the reliance on heparan sulfate as a surrogate endpoint for accelerated approval. While the decision came after a delayed PDUFA date and clinical holds, including a separate RGX-121 trial in which a patient developed a brain tumor, the brain tumor issue was not cited as a cause for the rejection. This rejection may impact prescriber decisions and payer reviews as more data becomes available. In a significant acquisition, Eli Lilly has entered into an agreement to acquire Orna Therapeutics for up to $2.4 billion. This deal focuses on advancing in vivo CAR T-cell therapies, particularly circular RNA and lipid nanoparticle-based therapies, such as ORN252 for autoimmune diseases. The acquisition aims to simplify CAR T production by reducing complexity, cost, and logistical challenges, thus broadening Lilly's gene therapy pipeline. Ultragenyx has announced layoffs affecting 10% of its workforce after facing setbacks in gene therapy trials, including disappointing results from brittle bone disease studies and slow progress with the FDA regarding UX111 for Sanfilippo A. Despite these struggles, Ultragenyx continues to focus on high-impact opportunities as it navigates this restructuring process, which may involve shifts in clinical focus and resource allocation. ExCellThera's Zemcelpro has received NUB Status 1 in Germany, which grants supplementary reimbursement, while broader reimbursement is still under evaluation. This designation supports Zemcelpro in treating hematological malignancies in patients who do not have suitable donor cells. The NUB Status 1 designation is expected to facilitate adoption in Germany and may provide momentum as the company seeks to expand into other markets. CareDx, AlloHeme, an AI-powered NGS-based solution, has shown promising clinical validation in the detection of relapse in AML and MDS patients following hematopoietic cell therapy. The ACROBAT study demonstrated 85% sensitivity with a median 41-day lead time before clinical relapse detection. This development expands CareDx' precision medicine portfolio, providing a blood-based tool for earlier relapse monitoring in these patients. Gyala Therapeutics has initiated a Phase 1/2a clinical trial of GYA01, a CD8/4 targeting CAR T-cell therapy in patients with relapsed or refractory AML and TALL. The trial, funded with €3.7 million from Spain's Ministry of Science, will include dose escalation and expansion phases. This marks a significant step in expanding CAR T-cell therapies for hematologic malignancies, offering hope for patients with limited treatment options. Bio has partnered with Regcell to advance Treg cell therapies for autoimmune diseases. Kincell will provide CMC and GMP manufacturing support for Regcell's platform, which reprograms T-cells into antigen-matched Tregs without gene editing. This collaboration could offer a new approach to immune tolerance in autoimmune disorders and supports the development of next-generation cell therapies. Finally, MEDIPOST has submitted an IND amendment to the FDA for a Phase 3 trial of its mesenchymal stem cell therapy in knee osteoarthritis. The trial is aimed at addressing symptomatic cartilage defects in patients suffering from this degenerative joint disease. This move advances regenerative medicine for osteoarthritis, addressing an unmet need in joint disease treatments. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare